Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey. With me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management. And welcome to today's Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, today we're talking about a secret way to get richer. And this was a study done by Bank of America of their wealthy clients. How did they get there? Well, it's very interesting to know that they built the wealth slowly over time. They're doing get-rich schemes or anything like that. They said the best way to build your wealth is be patient and do it over time. And I will say that means your wealth will stay. I've seen a lot of people kind of get wealth real quickly and then lose it because it wasn't strong, good wealth. This is the thing, do it slowly over time. What was also very interesting is what they invest in. They're not doing these alternative investments or the next big Microsoft. They're doing traditional stocks and bonds and saying, let's buy these companies, hold on to these companies, kind of what we talk about all the time. That's the best way, they say, to build your wealth is traditional stocks and bonds. Nothing fancy. Don't get fancy.
Yeah, it's really not too secret. It's hard work, putting away money, saving it, and buying and holding good quality companies. And they also said in the study that most of their clients accumulated their wealth with small series wins. Consecutively small series wins, not a big win and then a big loss. Right. It's just about keeping it steady, save money, and invest in those good quality companies once again. And they also talked about how panic selling can really destroy someone's portfolio, and you can see it can have a huge negative impact. So Don't panic sell, stay with those good quality companies, buy and hold, save.
Yeah. And I will say, I think it's one of our best things we've done so far to really help out investors, because everybody wants to hit that big home run and so forth. That's not the way to get richer. It takes time, so do it the right way. Speaking of the right way, let's look at a company called ConAgra Foods. Now, ConAgra right now around $45.80, the high $46.64, the low $37.25. You see it's up around $45 right now, as I said. Back here, I remember looking at this company, their fundamentals were very strong, had great PE ratios, great price to book, and so forth. Let's look at those numbers now to see if it's still a good buy or not. And by the way, this is the week that we're going to call the Food Week. We're going to look at 4 different companies of food companies. At the end, we're going to tell you why we did this. But again, let's get to ConAgra Foods here. Some of the products, Healthy Choice, Slim Jim, Hunt's. They got many products you'll recognize, which is always kind of nice to buy when you buy a company knowing the products. Sales are doing pretty good, up 1.2%. Earnings climbed by 554%. You want to dig into why that is, what caused such a big rise in earnings. Understand that before you buy the company.
The balance sheet looks pretty good. The current ratio looks good. Debt to equity is a little high. As you can see, current ratio 1.35. That debt to equity 151%, well above the industry average of 62%. And I did see that some people are very confident in this new CEO too about turning things around. Curious if he's taking on too much debt though. Big concern there. Want to understand that. And going out to May 2017, estimated earnings per share at $2.36 gives us a forward PE of 19.4. over our target forward PE of 16.5, telling us the company is overvalued at the current time.
Yeah, unfortunately, because they have a lot of great products and so forth. But again, you can see that big move in the stock price. So again, trying to help you understand more about good companies and be careful not to overpay for things. So, but let me ask you, if you're happy with the current return on your portfolio, your money, maybe you're just not happy with the current advisor you have, not giving good advice. Well, that could mean it's time for you to give us a call here at Wilsey Asset Management. We've been managing money successfully for over 30 years.
You want to call and have a conversation with us? Phone number here, 858-546-4306, or you can contact us at our website, smartinvesting2000.com.